So now I have car in my yard and I can show you how it looks like. So maybe like I mentioned before, this is 2019 BMW X3 with 2.0 liter petrol engine. Now I will show you guys the damage of this car. I think the damage is very nice to work with. I have to decide that I want to save this panel or I want to change it. You know, the advantage of the saving this panel will be this will be the one piece of the car, and if you want to exchange the panel you have to cut, for example, here and somewhere there, and you know the rust eventually will come through. So for example, after 5 years for sure the rust will go through, because I will I will try to protect it, but there is no guarantee. If I will be able to save this panel, there will be a lot of Bondo here, so I have to decide changing or leave it that way. So here is the damage. This rear trunk gate needs to be replaced, of course. So as you see, this part is heavily damaged, but in this section of the car, but here there is no mess here, so I like it that way, and overall it looks pretty nice. And I sold this car today, so time to say goodbye for this car and start a new project. But the customer will pick up this car after 2 weeks from now. So hi guys, let's start a new project. It will be a BMW X3 2019. As you can see, the car has right rear damage. I will show you now how I was able to launch the car, because after the accident, usually BMW have some kind of kill switch, and the switch cut off the power from the battery, so you cannot launch the car. So now you will see how I do this. The car is working! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I will install everything and we will meet in the front of the car and we will try to start it. And the kill switch always blow off when the airbags are deployed, mostly. Hi guys, so I am in my Dragon's lair. So here is the kill switch for the BMW X3, and for the repair purpose I will bypass it, and you have to do that kind of metal plate with holes, put it together, screw it. This thing is located near battery area, so I will show you where it is and hope the car will start. And I didn't show you the car. The car looked like this. Rear damage, and you see, not so bad. And the kill switch is located under this fuse box. Okay, so this kill switch for the battery is installed. Okay, so I will be doing this live. So jump starter is connected on. Now the car should have power. We have the power and we'll try to. Everything is fine. The car is working. The car is working. Cool. But how to unlock? Okay. Neutral. parking is released, car is starting. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. So next step, the car will be on my place. So see ya there. You have to do it very careful, because here is a lot of plastic piece and you can broke something more, but it will be a not necessary cost, you know. So do it slowly, but we have to do it slowly to avoid stupid mistakes. Watch very good for everything.